Hey, and welcome back to our channel. So, do you like our new setup? Cool, right? Maybe you're wondering, what can I do to be ranked higher on the Airbnb's result page? Well, as for many other platforms, it's all about the algorithm. So today, let's have a look at some great hacks to help you rank higher on Airbnb. Before we get started, remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss a new video. And now, let's go. First of all, instead of thinking about the algorithm, which is kind of an abstract and defined entity, think about the user, what will make a good experience for them and what they're actually looking for. Because actually the algorithm is there to provide the user with the best experience possible on the platform. In the end, it's all about people. That being said, let's jump right into our first hack. Optimize your titles and descriptions. In other words, work your SEO. The Airbnb algorithm loves detail and descriptive titles and descriptions, so make sure to use relevant keywords, think about what your potential guests will be looking for, and also have a look at what your competitors are doing, what keywords are they using. So highlight your unique features, amenities, and nearby attractions to catch the algorithm's attention and improve your rankings. Next, use call to actions and incentives to make sure that users will engage with you. This means that you should try to use call to actions in your description's copy as soon as you can. And you should also invite users to message you if they have any questions. This is because first, all these interactions will send strong signals to the algorithm to help you rank higher, and also because it will increase the chances of reluctant visitors ending up booking. And actually, that conversion rate from interaction to booking is one of the strongest signals that you can send to the Airbnb algorithm, so make sure to personalize as much as you can your interactions with your potential guests. Next, perfect your pricing strategy. As you know, prices go up and down depending on many factors: seasonality, lead time, special events happening in your area. So, if you want your listing to show up first, you need to keep up with the market prices. And for this, you can use dynamic pricing software, such as Price Labs, Beyond Pricing, and even our new Lodgify dynamic pricing feature. Next, enhance your guest experience and get great reviews. Remember how it's all about people? I mean, you're in the hospitality industry after all, right? So this should be a given. So make sure to offer your guests the best experience and ask them to leave reviews. The more positive reviews, the higher the algorithm will rank you. And this takes us to the next point. Do market research and find out what's underserviced. Check out what your competitors are doing in the area and identify what could be done better and even what's not being done at all. These could be amenities, services like breakfast included, or any other service that's not being offered at the moment by anyone else. And of course, it's a plus if it aligns with what your potential guests might be looking for. So once again, think about the right keywords. Next, do some split testing. What does this mean, you might be asking? Well, if you have more than one listing, you can change the information or the presentation of one of your properties and see how it performs compared to the other ones. For example, you can try and change your profile picture, the emplacement of your call to action in the description, the main photo or the type of photos of your listings. This way, if you notice that the property you apply the changes to performs better than the other ones, then you know that you can apply the same changes to all of them. Basically, this testing is a way to fine-tune your listings. Next, optimize your response rate and time. The Airbnb algorithm rewards hosts who are responsive and quick to reply inquiries. This means aim for 100% response rate and strive to respond to messages within an hour. These will show your reliability and commitment to guest satisfaction. Therefore, the algorithm will deem you trustworthy and deserving of a higher visibility. Next, increase your booking window. The Airbnb algorithm favors listings with availability further into the future, as once again this will show stability and reliability. So consider adjusting your minimum stay requirements and opening up your calendar for booking several months in advance. All of these will help you attract long-term guests and increase your search ranking. And last but not least, remember to list on different channels and platforms. The best way to optimize your bookings is by making sure that potential guests are able to find you in more than just one place. So booking.com or Vrbo, but the best way to boost your revenue is to have your own bookable website to get those direct bookings and avoid all of the platforms' fees and commissions. And to manage all of your listings across all of these different platforms, you will need a good channel manager. So I'm gonna leave a link in the description below if you want to start your Lodgify free trial. Well, this is all. Thanks for watching until the end. If you want, you can share your own hacks to beat the Airbnb algorithm in the comments below, and as always, remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye.